Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is an Audi A8 2018 plate, and what we've installed on this vehicle is the StarLine M66 Smart Security System. Now the way this system works is it's a full immobilization system, and it also notifies you on your smartphone with the smartphone app. Now the way thieves steal your keys is through the keyless frequency. So all these new cars come with the keyless entry system, so your keys give out the frequency constantly, and when they get hold of that frequency they can unlock your vehicle and drive off with it, or they can also break your window and obviously plug into the OBD port and steal it through that way. So I'm going to show you the way they usually steal the car. So they get hold of your frequency, they unlock your vehicle. Now your vehicle's unlocked. Now they get in and they will not be able to start the car. As you can see, the car is not starting. Now there's a special tag that you need for this to happen. I'll just show you the phone side of it. So you also get a call come through saying that someone's trying to steal the car.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
As you see, it says ignition is on.
Alarm in alarm system.
And shows you on the full app as well. So that's the full smart app. You've got full tracking on this system, gives you access to tracking, and you can obviously see the status of your vehicle as well. And as you can see, the red dome indicates that it's being broken into. So there's a special tag which I'm just going to bring to you now and show you how it works. Right, so this is the StarLine tag. So you need this tag to start the vehicle and to disarm the system. So I'm going to show you now. So now with this tag, if I start the car, you can see now the vehicle is fully on. So yeah, that's how you start the vehicle. So without this tag, this vehicle will not start. Yes, if you want something like this installed on your vehicle, give us a shout, guys.